Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will see maths exercise 2.3. Okay, so this is quite lengthy exercise. We have around 16 questions. So I'll explain only tough ones now. And first of all, see here, result of addition is called sum. Okay, whenever we do addition, that means whenever we use plus symbol, that we get answer we get is sum, and result of subtraction is called difference. Okay, so we'll see third question now. See, I have already noted down the question. Karan had rupees 9080. He bought clothes worth 3705 rupees. How much amount was left with him? Okay, Karan had some money and he bought some clothes, and clothes cost was 3705 rupees. So amount left with Karan was, we have to do subtraction, because he had this much money and when he bought clothes he has to give this much money to shopkeeper, no? So after giving this amount, how much is left? We have to do subtraction here. Okay, so we have I already wrote this columns also, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. So we have to subtract 5 from 0. That is not possible, so we will borrow from here. So 8 minus 1, it becomes 7, and this becomes 10 plus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is, we get answer 5. And then we have 7 here. 7 minus 0 is 7. Again we have to subtract 7 from 0. So it is not possible. So we are going to borrow from thousands place. So we are borrowing from here. So subtract 1. 9 minus 1, it becomes 8. And this becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 8 minus 3 is 5. So this much amount is left with Karan. Okay, you can write the answer now. Answer: amount left with Karan equal to rupees 5375. Okay, simple. Then we'll see question 5. The sum of two numbers is 9030. One number is 2141. So find the other number. Sum of two numbers is 9030. I wrote the statements also. One number is equal to 2141. So other number we have to find. That is, when we subtract this from this, that means 9030 minus 2141, we will get the other number. Okay, see, other number is equal to, we have to subtract here. Again 0 minus 1, it is not possible, so we will borrow from here. So it becomes 2 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, right? And 2 is smaller than 4 again, so we are going to borrow from here. This is not possible, so we are going to thousands place, because we have 0 no in hundreds place, we cannot borrow anything, so we are going to thousands place. So indirectly we are borrowing from 90, right? So 90 minus 1 is 89. This becomes 8. This becomes 9. And this becomes 10's place. We are taking borrow. So 10 plus 2, it becomes 12. Okay. 12 minus 4, it is 8. And then 9 we have. 9 minus 1 is again 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So other number is 6,889. So answer we have to write other number equal to 6,889. Clear? Next, question 6. What should be added to 7,569 to get 9,000? So we have this much 7,569, but we want to get this much. So how much we have to add? Simple, we have to subtract this from this number. So we'll do it here. Again 0 in the top position. 0 is smaller than 9, so we cannot subtract, so we'll go for borrowing. Tens place also 0, hundreds place is also 0, so we are going to thousands place. So what is the number we are borrowing from? This is 900, right? So we have to subtract 1 from 900. How much it becomes? It becomes 899. Okay, and 10 we have to add, no? So 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 minus 9, it is 1, and 9 minus 6, it is 3, 9 minus 5, it is 4, 8 minus 7, this is 1. So we have to add 1,431 to get 9,000. Okay, so answer is simple, 1,431. Next, 7th, we have